Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today we have an unbagging and this is from a company called Diamond Art. I think they're based here in the UK, but I did order this one on the 13th of February and it didn't arrive until the 9th of March, and it has got a customs label on it, so I think these have quite possibly come from China, but the office address is in the UK, so anyway, we'll see. I've opened it because I wanted to see where it was from and what it was, so we'll have a look and see what the pictures are like. I ordered 3 pictures from them, and as I've been doing with the last few companies, I ordered 3 small ones so I can see what the drills are like, what the canvases are like before I commit to a bigger purchase. So I've got 3 toolkits which all look the same. Got 3 canvases. Now again, I've gone with a theme, and this time it's Great Britain. So we have a Union Jack flag, we have the poppies at the Tower of London, and we have Stonehenge, and they all mean something to me, so I thought they were quite nice ones to get. We'll have a look at those in a second. Just pop those out the way there. And then we've got the 3 bags of drills, which all look as though they come in little bags, all pre-done, so that's really good as well. Now the price of these 2 were £15.99 each, and they're 30 by 20, and then the Union Jack is 25 by 20, and that was £13.99, but I did get 20% off them, so the whole order, including postage, which I believe was free, just let me double check. Yep, I got free shipping, 3 postage, so it was £36.78, and I saved £9.19, so that was pretty good. Okay, let's have a look at these canvases, and we'll have a look at the drills that go with them. So we'll start with Stonehenge. I have been to Stonehenge twice, and I was lucky enough to go quite a long time ago now, on the summer solstice, and it was quite magical. There was quite a few druids around there, and the atmosphere was just amazing. So if you do ever get a chance to go there, please do. It has changed quite a bit now. You don't cross the road from the car park anymore that's there. You actually go straight into it. Look, I'm making a mess of this. Come on, tape, why aren't you cutting? There you are. Okay. Oh, and this is quite a long one. So we've got diamond painting collection there. Just take this tape off. I hate it when they put tape around them. And it's one great big piece of the cover sheet there. It's on a foam roller, so we'll just give this one a stretch out a minute and then we'll have a look. And this has 30 colours. Wow, 30 colours is an awful lot for a smaller painting, so hopefully we'll get some good definitions, just looking for somewhere to put these canvases so they don't roll off anywhere and I'll end up losing them. Just put my knife out the way. So the code number on this is WF14960. So let's see if we can find the drills that match up. Yep, that's that one. So the drill bag has the WF14960 on it, and it says 30 by 20. Let's measure this and just see whether we are 30 by 20. It's quite a long canvas, isn't it? It's got quite a bit on the edges there. Okay, there's my tape measure. So let's just measure the actual canvas, and it's 29, so that's pretty near by, oops, it's double-sided tape, I believe, by 19. Yeah, so we're just 1 centimetre off either side, so that's really good. So let's just see if we can get this top cover off and have a look at this picture. Oops. peel it really carefully with it being double-sided tape. We don't want to cause any rivers or bubbles. Okay, quite a clear drill field, looks nice. There's no training wheels on it, no guide circles. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Look at the drill field. Yeah, we've got light white letters and symbols on the darks, and we've got lighter letters, but they all look really clear. Even without my glasses on, I can see these. And I have to admit that using my new magnifying light is just absolutely wonderful. I love it, absolutely love it. It's really changed my diamond painting. The drills look like massive now when I'm doing my paintings, and I can even see whether they're upside down or not. And I've not been using my light pad either since I got this light, so it's really good, really pleased with it. Okay, so I've already taken the second one off its roller because I didn't realise I wasn't recording. Oh dear. So the second painting is a 30 by 20, the same as Stonehenge, and this one is the Tower of London with all the poppies outside. Now we did actually go to London and see all the poppies, and they're like metal coated in like ceramic. I'll have to look it up and put some details down below. There was the same amount of poppies as there was people who lost their lives in the First World War, and they surrounded the Tower of London with all these poppies, and they'd done displays of them and like a waterfall of them, and they just looked absolutely magnificent. It's one of those things that I'm just so pleased we went down to London to see. It is quite a drive, quite a away from where I live. I'm sort of like in the middle of England, and London's right down the bottom of England, so it's quite a way to get there, but I'm pleased we went there. I'll put a couple of photographs to show you what it looked like, and then once the display was finished with, you could then actually go and buy one of the poppies, and we were lucky enough to get one of the poppies, and I have that saved now for my granddaughter because her birthday is the 11th of November, so she can have something to celebrate her birthday. It was the end of the First World War, the 11th of November, so obviously a lot of years apart. She's a lot younger. But yeah, it's just something that's quite dear to my heart there as well. I do like to try and now get diamond paintings that mean something that I either really like or somewhere that I've been if it's a scene. Again, we've got 30 colours, lots of symbols. They all look pretty good, and we've got DMC codes there, and it tells us the quantity of each one. And looking at it, I'm going to presume that it is the same size as the last one, so let's have a look. Yep, this one is 29 and a bit by 19 and a little tiny smidgen. So yeah, we've just lost 1 centimetre off each side. Not bad. So let's have a look at this canvas and see what we've got. Just pull it off slowly. Double-sided tape. Just be very careful when you're looking at it. Don't pull your cover sheet off too fast because you can cause bubbles, and what that is, it's when air gets in between the double-sided tape and the canvas, and then you end up with a non-sticky part. So let's have a look at this. I think you can see the drill field there. It's nice and clear, and oh, it's got one of these funny little spots on it. Now again, because I'm from a card making background, this little spot here and not from a cross-stitch background. I didn't know what that was, and when I got a first canvas with that on, I thought there was a dead fly squashed on my canvas. But apparently, because a lot of these are done from cross-stitch kits, they're the markings for your cross-stitch kit. But I spent ages looking at it thinking, oh, I've got a fly on my canvas, and it wasn't. It was just the little arrow telling you about it. So, you don't have to be mad to do this, but it helps. Okay, so WF94959. Let's have a look, see if we can find that one. Oh, top one that I've got there, look. Okay, so again, 30 colours. Let's have a look at this one. Just put them in big bags. Oh, come on, where's that end? Where's that end? Oh dear. I know it's there somewhere. There it is. Oh. Maybe I should open these first. Maybe not. Okay, let's have a look. So we'll count them into there. Oops, move that out of the way a minute. So, oh, that's nice blue. 2. These are all the poppies, look. 3, 4. Oh, look. Fingers and thumbs today. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 20, 30. Okay, so not many 310s in this one, look. And again, this one's a square. Oh, and it's got another round escapee. Obviously, the rounds seem to like it with the squares. They all seem to want to get in there. That's presumably going to be the poppies. That's the biggest amount there that we've got. 1465 number. But that's going to give some real nice depth on the poppies with 5 different red colours there. And I should think there'll be some of the darker browns possibly mingled in between that as well. But they're gonna, yeah, look really good. So pleased with these so far. So I like the poppies. Maybe get that one done for Poppy Day this year. Hopefully, she says. Fingers crossed. So that's that one. Pop those out the way. And then finally, just pop this one underneath as well. I like to keep them nice and flat. Is my little tiny Union Jack. And I thought, well, seeing as I live in Great Britain, let's have a Union Jack. Let's have a look at these. Okay. Where did I put my knife? Oh dear. I have to excuse my hands that are just so dry. I've had them in bleach. We've been cleaning the kitchen and rearranging it around, so hubby, who likes to cook and get at everything and do all his cooking that he likes to do. So I've been scrubbing and cleaning and moving things around, and I've been breaking nails and putting hand cream on like there's no tomorrow, and my hands have got really dry, so they're slippy from all the hand cream. Right, okay, goodness me. This is a 25 by 25 and it still has 30 colours. And you would think really, when it's a red, white and blue flag, it's amazing how many colours that's got. But lots of symbols there, and again, all your DMC codes. So let's have a look and see how big this one is. So we are 24.5 that way. Get to the drill field area. Ooh, just slightly 29.5-ish that way, so hardly lost anything on this one. That's really good. So let's have a look at this canvas and see. Wow, this will be really nice. So I might try and get hubby to do this one. You never know, you just might. Okay, so, oh look. Shade. Oh, we've got, what have we got in the middle? Oh, I see. I don't know if you can see that. It's got the Victory V sign in the middle, which you can just see sort of ghosted into the middle. That's why we've got 30 colours on this one. So you can sort of see it there. But while we're up here, you can see the drill field, nice and clear. And again, a really good canvas. There's no faults on that canvas whatsoever. Really good, really pleased with that one. Nice little style. When it's got the dead fly on it, look, the same at the top. I'm learning all these things. It's a good job that I've watched other content makers' videos so that I knew what that was. Otherwise, I still think it was a dead fly. So my last packet of drills is 4961, which is there. Okay, we'll struggle to get into these again. Where's that little flap? There it is. Find the flap, yes, find the flap. Okay, so 30 colours. Wow. I may put some crystals in this actually, or some in these, and this will definitely be hung on my wall. So let's have a look at these colours. Blues, I've got a black, yeah, that's for the hand. So, all the pinks, the reds. Wow, this is going to be take some doing. And again, this one's a square. They all look really good quality, although that one has got a round in it as well. The round's definitely like getting into these squares. So I've got 3 square paintings. I am getting into squares more. I do find that if I can get my placement right, then squares come out really well. I'm not the neatest crafter at putting lines in things, so I've still got a long way to go, still learning, but they're only for me and I enjoy it, and that's what counts. I love doing it. So where are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 28, 29, 30. Yeah, we've got our 30 colours there. But there's lots of red and blue, and then there's all your whites down here. And we've got like this minty green. I love that colour. I really do like that colour. Okay, let's put those away. Back in the bag. And I know what I haven't done, looked at the toolkit. That's because I've got 3 and I thought, oh. Triple trouble. Right, put those down there. They're all sorted. So I'll just look at one of the toolkits. I think you can see all 3 are identical. But look at a good toolkit, definitely up from a basic one. Okay, so we've got your sort of medium to large boat, which is very deep. Got a lovely deep side, so when you're shaking your drills, that'll be a good one. Okay, we've got 2 big chunks of wax, which is a lot considering it's only a small painting. So we've got your very sharp pointy tweezers, which have come out of their little cover. Be careful with these, they are very, very sharp and they will draw blood if you stab yourself with them. And we have, I believe that will be a 4-placer. Yeah, that one's a 4-placer there. And that one doesn't have a thing on it. Is it a... Yeah, that one's a 10-placer. So you've got a 4-placer and a 10-placer, and they are the very thin white ones. So, yeah. So they're the good quality ones. So, good toolkit. Sparkly pen. I've started putting some of my spare diamonds in these pens to make them sparkle a bit more. And you've got your little pen grip as well, your little squishy. So, yeah, great toolkit. Nice little kits, very good quality. Very impressed, but obviously I'll have to see what they're like when they're all made up. So I'll pop those there. So we've had a Union Jack. So I do like my themes. We've had a Stonehenge and the poppies outside the Tower of London. Okay, that's me done for now, so thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please press the like button, and why not subscribe, and then you'll get notified when I do my next video. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon. Bye.